Hi, Jake with Diode. Today we're going to be reviewing the mounting procedures for our Pro Series demon eyes on the 2015 to 2017 Ford Mustang. Now, installation will require that the headlamps be removed from the vehicle, but because of the custom designed bracketry for the 2015 to 2017 Mustang, you won't actually have to open up the headlights, separating the lens from the back of the housing. Once the headlamp is removed from the car, installation will only require basic hand tools. Let's get started. Included in your kit is two separate brackets, one for the left side of the car and one for the right side of the car, as well as the mounting hardware for your demon eyes. Now, to mount this properly, you'll want your Diode logo facing the same direction as the Diode logo on the bracketry. You'll simply mount the demon eye and secure it using one small Phillips head screw. With your demon eye secure in the bracket, we can move forward with installing it on the headlight. To mount your demon eye, we're going to go ahead and remove this factory ballast by using a T20 torque bit and the 4 screws mounted right here. Now, while you're doing this, it's important to make sure that your headlight is sitting on a soft surface as to not scratch the lens. Alright, with the screws removed, go ahead and pull off the factory ballast, and using a flathead screwdriver, remove the factory wiring harness. To mount your demon eye, we're going to go ahead and remove this Phillips head screw from the factory board. But go ahead and set it aside because we're going to be reusing it later. So you'll go ahead and insert your demon eye into the factory projector, and you'll notice this pressure fitting clips right below on the factory housing. Once that's done, you'll notice that the mounting hole will line up perfectly to the screw that we just removed on the factory board. You can go ahead and reinstall the Phillips screw we removed from the factory circuit board. Be sure not to over-tighten it. At this point, you can go ahead and run your demon eye wiring outside the opening for the factory ballast, reconnect your factory ballast, and reinstall it with the 4 screws we removed earlier. Go ahead and connect your demon eye to the included Diode driver to ensure proper function. Once you've tested it and everything's working properly, you can remount your headlight in the car and follow all the same steps on the other side to finish your installation. With your new demon eyes installed, you'll enjoy thousands of custom color combinations and a totally unique look for your vehicle. For more information on this product and more, visit DiodeDynamics.com or use the dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. Thanks for watching.